This is a heat and temperature change problem. So we're going to start with our usual equation. Q, the heat, is equal to the mass times the specific heat capacity times delta T. In this case, we're going to be solving for the mass of the ethanol. So we're going to rewrite this equation solving for mass. Okay, and we have mass is going to be equal to our heat divided by our specific heat capacity and delta T. All right, so let's just put in our values. We have 650.0 calories. We're going to divide by our specific heat capacity and our delta T. So we need to calculate our delta T. Delta T is going to be equal to TF minus TI, which is 32 minus 18 degrees C. That gives us 14 degrees C. So we divide by our delta T, and we also divide by our specific heat capacity that we're given in the statement of the question. Okay, you never have to memorize these values. They'll be given to you if you need them. So our specific heat capacity, 0.58 units are calories per gram degree C. Okay, looking at units, we see degrees C cancel, calories cancel, and the units of grams survive. So we're going to get our final answer in grams, which is what we expected. Our calculator response, or calculator display, is 80.049 grams. Let's look at our sig figs. We have 2 sig figs here. Okay, we can justify both of those decimal places. 4 sig figs and 2 sig figs. We can determine that we have 2 sig figs in our answer. We can write our answer as either 80 with a decimal point grams, or we can write it as 8.0 times 10 to the first grams. Okay, either of those explicitly indicate 2 sig figs in our answer.